my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank ZLIKE for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. You guys, this is a 24-inch water wave Invisi-Strap. Okay, this is a 360 wig. You do not have to glue down the back. It has two invisible straps that you adjust on the side. If you guys want to see all that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig because isn't she just stunning? She is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, so we're working with ZLIKE. Look at this box. Isn't this box so freaking cute? Also all their handles on the back. I love this. It's pink and gold. The packaging looks so good. I feel like I'm opening up something luxury right now. All right, so we have a silk bag. Need these to store your wigs, you guys. A cute little bow. So we have a little goodie bag. This has like a few things in it. So let me open them up. Wig caps, melting band. I love these brushes. These are perfect for like applying your foundation onto your lace. Love, love. These are the perfect brushes for that. We also have a baby hair brush and two clips. And for the main event, so we have this is their new Invisi-Strap. This is a 360 water wave 24-inch natural color transparent wig. It is 180% density and the cap size is average. I haven't tried the Invisi-Strap before, so let's go ahead and get into it. First, look at the water wave. Really, really pretty. Zoom in on the ends. They look really, really nice. Here is what the hairline is looking like. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut, and the knots are bleached as well. This is a 360 Invisi-Strap. So 360 as in the lace goes all the way around. Invisi-Strap is at the back, so you see this clear lining that goes across, and then it has these really, really thin straps that you adjust with this bead here to tighten and loosen. You just tighten, pull it down, loosen up, pull it up, and it has one on both sides. I'm probably gonna go in and cut off some of this extra lace. If you guys can see, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna cut off a little bit more, but try not to get too close to this here. But yes, so that should be really, really cute. It's a whole 360 wig and you don't have to worry about like gluing down the back part, which is really nice. There's lots of parting space, as you can see. There's a comb in the center. We also have one left and right, and then also one on the bottom here. And don't forget about our adjustable strap. This is nice. This is nice. I haven't worked with a 360 wig in years, and this should be really, really convenient. I haven't worked with a 360 wig in a really long time, and I remember the last time I did, it was so difficult to do by yourself. I feel like you definitely need two people, or you need somebody else to just install it for you all together. But this way is going to make it super, super easy. I might go in with on the front too and cut some more off the front because there's a lot of extra lace in the front as well. But it is plucked really nicely. It looks so stinking natural. The wig is breathable as well. We love a breathable cap, always, always, always. Before I start chopping and screwing stuff up, okay, let's just talk about the curls. Oh my gosh, the wig just smells like regular hair, nothing different. The curls are really, really soft though, and they are giving like that juicy curl, which I really, really like. I love a water wave. As you guys can see, these curls look gorgeous. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the excess lace. I'm going to, I'll come back and you guys can see me like install it or whatever. And then I'm gonna try to do at least 1 or 2 hairstyles for you guys as well. So let's get into it. She's cute, she's beautiful, she's beautiful. hairstyle number 2. I put some little space buns in here. I think they look so cute. Look how much hair is on this wig. I feel like there's still so much hair left, even putting half of it up in buns. But look at the curls. Aren't they so beautiful? I love them. Oh, there she is. Okay, all right, you guys. So I'm all done. I showed you guys a couple of styles. I put it back in the middle part because I like it like this. It's real cute. It's a real cute everyday look. But I just wanted to show you guys how versatile this wig is. Again, this is a 24-inch water wave, 360 Invisi-Strap. Again, let me show you guys the back one more time so you can see. The Invisi-Strap has the lace all the way around the wig, and you don't have to glue the back down. So it's really convenient and easy to apply for one person. You don't need a second person for this 360 wig. The water wave curls are just gorgeous. I love it so much. This length again is 24 inches, and I think it's perfect. It's not too short and it's not too long. The density is also right at my alley. I love how full this wig is. But again, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. I will have the direct link in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Also, drop a comment and tell me what you guys think about these curls, because I'm literally obsessed. Look at these water wave curls, and look at all of the movement and the body. I love it. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.